Breaking news. 28-year-old attacking midfielder Patrick Tito Maswanganyi is close to joining a Bahrain club. Patrick Maswanganyi, affectionately known as Tito Maswanganyi or i-Ambulansi yaseTembisa by his fans, joined Orlando Pirates from the now defunct SuperSport United in 2023, and he played 120 matches, scoring 28 goals and 21 assists, while helping Orlando Pirates to win the Betway Premiership, the MTN 8 title, the Carling Knockout Cup, and the Nedbank Cup. His stay with Orlando Pirates has been a very fruitful one, becoming one of the most important members of the squad during his time with the club, as evidenced by his almost 50 goal contributions in just 3 seasons. Now, there are reports that Orlando Pirates is in advanced talks with an unnamed Bahraini club, where he will join South African winger Menzi Masuku, who also played for Orlando Pirates. This follows the recent sale of winger Lebohile Mofokeng to Union Saint-Gilloise in Belgium. And now, Orlando Pirates fans have shared mixed feelings, with some cheering the financial upside and squad refresh, while others are worried about losing creative depth in that Orlando Pirates attacking department with the departure of few attacking players in this transfer window. Those who are excited by the financial part of this deal, it's no surprise because one Bahraini dinar equals 42 rands. So this currency is one of the most strongest currency in the world, being valued at about 3 times the amount of the dollar and the euro, while being almost twice as the pound. So it is one of the most expensive currency in the world. Now, this simply means that Orlando Pirates will probably get a substantial amount of money for the sale of the 28-year-old attacking midfielder, while also him, Patrick Maswanganyi, will definitely get one of his highest salary in his footballing career. Now, Patrick Maswanganyi has played overseas before, playing for Oliveirense in Portugal, where he joined them as a teenager from Stars of Africa Academy before moving to SuperSport United in 2022. Now, he is moving abroad once again, this time to the Middle East. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of the club selling Patrick Tito Maswanganyi? Do you think it's a good move for the club and also for the player? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And also, there are speculations on why he is leaving the club. Many people don't know. However, when he was left out of the MTN 8 semi-final first leg against Sekhukhune United yesterday on Saturday, the 22nd of August, it raised eyebrows on whether he is injured or not. However, head coach Abdeslam Ouaddou cleared those concerns. Here is what he said. He said, "He is not injured. He was available, but I cannot speak about something I don't masterize in." Those are the words of Orlando Pirates head coach Abdeslam Ouaddou. Now, what do you think of what Abdeslam Ouaddou saying that Tito is not injured and is available, but he can't play because of something that he can't speak about? What do you think of what the coach said? Now, let me hear your thoughts. Do you know why Tito Maswanganyi is leaving Orlando Pirates and also the name of the Bahraini club? If you know, please let us know in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.